how is time management for you, Wes? You know, how do you find juggling, you know, all of the, you know, requests, requirements, you know, everything that you're involved in with projects and obviously home, lifestyle, family? How does that all work for you?
It's hard, honestly.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a father too, so it's I literally have my kids during the day. So even when I'm doing
Amazing.
a lot of time when I have to do sessions, sometimes my daughter, my son might be with me in the
Oh,
session. Yeah, so it's like I'm constantly going back and forth, and then not to mention, you know, from sessions
yeah.
to just learning music, all that. It's very challenging, but because I've been doing it for so long,
Yeah.
it's one of the things was like you just got to tell yourself, okay, I'm gonna make it work. How am I gonna do it? You just got to do it. So
Yeah.
I think I just been doing it for so long, especially with my son. My daughter was just born, so I've had my son since
Amazing.
8. So I was working a 9 to 5 and gigging and going to school and having him. So I kind of just like I just got in a mode where it's just like second nature.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I just have my schedule that I stick to. Nighttime, the kids know, hey, look, I got to go out. What I try to do is set all of my sessions and stuff to the evening. So I had the daytime.
Right.
But then by the time 4 or 5 o'clock hit, they already know I'm at work. When I come back home, I get them good, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean,
I
like I
love
said,
that.
but I make it work. I make it work. I got a set schedule.
That's fantastic. No, for sure. I mean, the work ethic that you present every day, you know, we see you showing up on social every day consistently without fail. You know, we are all up to date with everything going on, but life happens as well. You know, family first, as always, you know, your daddy as well. You got to look after the kids and the little ones, and congratulations as well. It's fantastic news, you know, and again, just keep your hands full. You know, it's finding the time, all the love's getting thrown in. Guys, thanks so much for joining us today. My name is Carlton Banks. For those of you that don't know, CEO, owner of Collision Drumsticks. We're having a phenomenal conversation with Wes Watkins today about social media.